times you've suffered a broken heart, yeah. And it be like say the world on end, but you know be like that, oh. See, excuse me, I'm a tenor, you go be my wife, yeah. I'm for real, yo. I know be one chance, oh, yeah. Let me put this smile upon your pretty face, yeah. Yeah, the way you smile, that make
welcome
me
to
wonder,
African Style,
don't know what to do. I just have to walk up to
the channel that brings you all the latest fashion design in Africa, showcasing what we have in this part of the world. Now you can see our fashions are very beautiful, our dresses, very beautiful in astonishing style. Please kindly watch this video to the end to see latest designs. These designs are not just meant to show you that we have this. You can also be a partaker of this design by getting these styles, send it to your designer or your fashionist to help you carve out these beautiful styles. Kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn up the notification button to get the latest video as we post on daily basis. We promise you this channel is going to be very, very comprehensive, very on point, trending, and also posting day in, day out to get the latest so that you don't miss out in any form. We also promise you that this channel will expose you to so many beautiful fashion styles. So kindly stay tuned to this channel and watch this video to your end. Thanks.
Times you've suffered a broken heart, yeah. And it be like say the world on end, but you know be like that, oh. See, excuse me, I'm a tenor, you go be my wife, yeah. I'm for real, yo. I know be one chance, oh, yeah. Let me put this smile upon your pretty face, yeah. Yeah, the way you smile, that make me wonder, crazy. Don't know what to do. I just have to walk up to you just to say I love you and I hope you love me too. That's why I say give you good loving. Let me give you good loving. Let me give you good loving. I will never make you cry. Don't deserve to be so sad. You don't deserve to be so sad. Know your past they make you want go mad. Oh, yeah. Let me be the air you breathe. Your color match my own, can't you see? You and I are meant to be together, stay forever. That's why I say, let me put a smile upon your pretty face. Yeah. I will stay with you. I know we'll give you space. Yeah. Here is what I'm gonna do. I'ma take you to the altar and say I do. Hey, see, I respect you and I know you
Hello, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and hope you enjoy the styles. Please, if you do, please kindly click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button in order to get our recent and latest videos. I'm showing you that this channel will give you the best fashion, Ankara fashion styles. Believe me, you will like them, you will love them. Stay tuned to this channel.